Hi guys, I wanted to do another special right triangle video. I've been requested to do one. So one more time here. 30, 60, 90 triangle. You might want to say this out loud, okay? Because there's a pattern here. I'm going to leave this triangle here, but what we know, the side opposite the 30-degree angle is the short leg. The hypotenuse and the short leg are related in this exact way. And you might want to say this out loud. The hypotenuse is always double the short leg. Say that 3 times out loud. The hypotenuse is always double the short leg. The hypotenuse is always double the short leg. The hypotenuse is always double the short leg. That's a relationship between those two. And then the long leg is just whatever the short leg's measurement is times the square root of 3. Anytime you're doing a special right triangle and it's a 30, 60, 90, draw the pattern in, okay? Now I'm going to make 3 different examples and I'm going to show you how to use the pattern, okay? So I'm just going to make 3 different 30, 60, 90 triangles, okay? Boom. Boom. Okay. It's going to make them basic. I'm going to make them all look the same. And on all of these, I'm going to give you a different piece of information. All right. So for example 1, I'm just going to make the short leg 10. On example 2, I'm going to give you that the long leg is 15. And on example 3, we're going to start with the hypotenuse. Okay? 3 different special right triangles, 3 different legs with the measurement. Okay? Now, here's simply how you do this. You just line these up. This is the short leg, okay? So on this triangle, the short leg is x. This is x. So in other words, for this 30, 60, 90, x just equals 10. X equals 10. So this equals x times the square root of 3. This is x root 3. Well, what does x equal? X equals 10. So where the x is, we're just going to put a 10. Here, this is 2x. Well, 2x, what does x equal? X is 10. So 2 times 10. This is 20. So just like we said, it's double the short leg. So this one's 10. This is 10 root 3. This is 20. All right? On this one, we're giving you the long leg, or the side opposite the 60-degree angle. Now, what is the side opposite the 60-degree angle equal in this triangle? It's x root 3, okay? So in this case, what are we going to do here? We're just going to say x root 3 equals 15, and we need to solve this. So we got to solve for x here. X root 3, the long leg, equals 15. Divide both sides by root 3. X equals 15 divided by root 3. We need to get that root 3 out of the denominator, so we're going to multiply the denominator by root 3 and the numerator by root 3. So we're going to get 15 root 3 divided by root 3 times root 3, which is 3. 15 divided by 3 is just 5 over 1. So the answer to this, the answer to x is 5 root 3. So x is 5 root 3. That means x is 5 root 3. See how they match up? Boom. X is 5 root 3. Okay? So if x is 5 root 3, that means this is just 2 times 5 root 3, or 10 root 3. Okay? Third example. You ready? In this case, I'm giving you the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is 37. So compare this to my triangle, my special triangle. 37 equals what? 2x, right? 37 equals 2x. 37 equals 2x. We're going to divide both sides by 2. And I'm going to get that x equals, this is 18.5. So x equals 18.5. That means short leg is 18.5. And long leg is 18.5 times the square root of 3. Okay? And that's it. That's how you do these. That's how you use this pattern here and just set it up. Just set up your equations. One more time. Short leg, x equals 10. This one I gave you the long leg. X root 3 equals 15. On this one, we gave you the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 2x equals 37. That's how you set your equation up. Solve for x. When you get x, that just gives you short leg. Okay? Whatever the short leg is x. In every example. I hope that makes sense. I hope that helps. You're going to do the same exact thing with the 45, 45, 90. Okay? I'll do one quick example on the 45, 45, 90. Now before you move on, you need to write this down. Write this down in your examples. Okay? You're going to use that every time. Now 45, 45, 90. 45, 45, 90. This is x, this is x, this is x root 2. Every single time, okay? So you're going to be doing the same exact thing on these. I'm just going to do one example. I'm going to do it pretty quickly. (27). I'm just going to give you the hypotenuse, and you're just going to match it up. So you're going to write an equation. You're going to compare this to this, right? So all you're going to do, you're going to write an equation. 27, the hypotenuse 27, equals what leg? The hypotenuse. The hypotenuse in a 45, 45, 90 is always x root 2. Next move, divide by root 2. Okay, so x equals 27 divided by root 2. We need to rationalize the denominator by multiplying by root 2. Okay, right? What does that do here? 27 root 2 in the numerator over 2. 27 divided by 2 is 13.5. Let's write it like this. 13.5 root 2. Okay, so this is what x equals. So x, boom, x equals 13.5 root 2. And x represents these legs. So this is just 13 root 5, 13.5 root 2, 13.5 root 2. Hopefully that clears it up a little bit and makes it a little bit more simple. More videos coming tomorrow morning. And Zoom class Friday. We're going to do a Zoom class Friday. That's a promise. I'll put the link up tomorrow and we'll set it up. And then next week, Zoom office hours, at least twice a week. So, all right. Thanks for your patience and your hard work, you guys. Keep it going, okay? There's only 4 weeks of school left after this week, so we got this, right?